Welcome back to All Rustic, where we explore inspiring home design ideas that blend beauty, comfort, and creativity. Today, step inside a charming thrifted shabby chic kitchen filled with delicate floral accents and warm copper touches that create a timeless, sustainable aesthetic. If you love cozy vintage spaces and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments as we take you through this delightful kitchen transformation together. Embracing the shabby chic aesthetic. This kitchen captures the essence of shabby chic style, where soft imperfections and aged textures tell a story of elegance and history. Distressed cabinets, weathered wood finishes, and gently faded paint tones create a lived-in charm that feels both nostalgic and welcoming. The beauty of this aesthetic lies in its relaxed approach, allowing each element to feel authentic rather than overly styled, making the space feel warm, personal, and effortlessly graceful. Thrifted treasures with character. Every corner of this kitchen showcases carefully selected thrifted finds that bring personality and uniqueness into the space. From vintage dishware and second-hand furniture to repurposed storage pieces, each item carries a sense of history while supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. These one-of-a-kind pieces not only reduce waste but also add depth and character that cannot be replicated with mass-produced decor, making the kitchen truly special. soft floral accents for a romantic touch. Floral patterns are at the heart of this kitchen's design, adding softness and a romantic charm that enhances the shabby chic atmosphere. Delicate prints on curtains, cushions, and table linens introduce gentle colors like blush pink, cream, and pastel green. Fresh or dried flowers arranged in vintage vases further elevate the look, creating a fresh and inviting environment that feels like a countryside retreat. Warm copper elements for subtle elegance. Complementing the softness of florals, copper accents bring warmth and understated elegance to the kitchen. From cookware and utensils to light fixtures and small decorative pieces, the metallic glow of copper adds a refined contrast without overpowering the delicate aesthetic. Over time, the natural patina of copper enhances its charm, perfectly aligning with the vintage and sustainable theme of the space. Sustainable design with purpose. This kitchen is not just beautiful, but also thoughtfully designed with sustainability in mind. By embracing thrifted items, repurposed materials, and long-lasting decor, the space reflects a conscious approach to home styling. Instead of following fast trends, it celebrates slow living and mindful choices, proving that eco-friendly design can be both stylish and meaningful while reducing environmental impact. Layered textures for cozy comfort. A key element in this kitchen's inviting atmosphere is the use of layered textures. Linen fabrics, rustic wood, ceramic pieces, and woven baskets all work together to create a rich sensory experience. These textures add depth and warmth, making the kitchen feel cozy and lived in while maintaining a light and airy aesthetic that defines shabby chic design. Functional beauty in everyday living. Beyond its visual appeal, this kitchen is designed to be practical and functional for everyday use. Open shelving displays beautiful dishware while keeping essentials within easy reach, and clever storage solutions maximize space without sacrificing style. The balance between form and function ensures that the kitchen remains both efficient and aesthetically pleasing, making daily routines more enjoyable. Conclusion: a timeless and sustainable haven. This thrifted shabby chic kitchen is a perfect example of how thoughtful design can transform a space into a warm, inviting, and sustainable haven. With its blend of floral softness, copper warmth, and vintage charm, it offers inspiration for anyone looking to create a cozy and eco-conscious home. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe to Ima Decor, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite detail or idea from this beautiful kitchen.